Yeah, I would request the Honorable Forest Minister to kindly felicitate the Honorable Chief Minister of Karnataka, then the Deputy Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Deputy Chief Minister of Karnataka. ಸನ್ಮಾನ್ಯ ಸಚಿವರು ಈಗ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಯವರಿಗೆ ಸನ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕೋರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. I would request the Forest Minister to also felicitate our Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar sir. Yes, sir. Sir, the Andhra Pradesh Deputy Chief Minister also would like to felicitate you, sir. With your permission, the DCM Andhra Pradesh would felicitate the Chief Minister of Karnataka. The DCM will also felicitate the Deputy Chief Minister of Karnataka and the Forest Minister of Karnataka. Sir, we would now request Honorable Forest Minister to receive the felicitation from the DCM Andhra Pradesh, Sri Pavan Kalyan Garu. After which I would request ಸನ್ಮಾನ್ಯ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಸರ್ ನಾವು ಕೆಳಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಅಫಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಫ್ಲಾಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕೋರ್ಕೊಂತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಸರ್. ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಪೋಡಿಯಂ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೇವೆ.